I've got no plans to go out today. I've got class at 3 and at 6. 6 is online. 3 will be at the library. When I step there, she looks and she's very fast. I have to be very, very careful. I'm gonna do some cleaning, some tidying. Haven't held the broom for days. Just been so busy and I've been so tired. Have to do some cleaning and tidying today. Yeah. Just curious what bird. Yeah, no. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Hiya, come on. You come and sit up here. I'll bring my coffee and I'll sit here. Then she can sit there. Okay, that is what I will do. Then I can keep a better eye on her. I stop first, huh? Y'all enjoy your snow. I'm so jealous. Never mind, I've got all 3 of you to touch some for me. So, I'm happy. Still can't believe I slept till 9. Okay, I stop first. Bring my coffee out.